Guess what I got today?
What, honey?
A new truck.
A new truck? Kevin, you don't have the money for a new truck. You're still living at home, and I thought you would be a little bit more frugal than that. When and how did you get the truck?
I got rid of my motorcycle to pay for the new truck.
You had a motorcycle? Kevin!
Well, that's how I broke the news to her that I had a bike to begin with. As far as hating bikes, here's what I think happened.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that guy over there took all the last ones.
Alright, well, those are my funny stories.
I won't even mention the time when you, me, and Dad laughed the entire commercial break while watching The Big Bang Theory.
How did she go? She went like, shut up, shut up.
Shut up, the show's back on. Stop laughing like that. Morgan!
Nice. Well, love you, Ma. Enjoy the party.